Hello, my name is Jace Garzon, and the activity English. My personal favorite, um, the NEF, and the personal is my beloved NEF, and the first grandchildren would came to fear our home, with happening being the first children make him so special because with him Ballard what it names to be parents for the first time. He is the branch of the world family, and every single one of his achievements fills us with emotion. He is very smart and curious with his decks. This is homework. Also, he likes students. She's very fun. Its launch is contagious and always make the awesome family launch. Like Hobbit, he is passionate about soccer. He runs on the field like there's no tomorrow, and always plays with a big smile. He has very kids heart and love sharing. His toys and helping is friends. He like to play different play like Roblox with on play for a long time. Also is like to play or to play with its friends. He dance like vegetables. Book have like fruits. However, arts wake look for to improve thoughts. Um, Christian school. He is students Christian school where their third helps values like respect, honesty, and kindness. He's very responsibility the students, and he always strives to do his best. He does every week in class. Um, his teacher special English and is good every night. Um, Average Prince, intelligent and dedicated always to the best its field, and Jones is the future is brilliant because he always fits to the average. Muchas gracias.